Thank you for choosing NutriLiv, the clinical-grade anti-cancer nutrition app. This training video will help you understand everything about the item details screen. This is the page in the NutriLiv app that displays all of the anti-cancer and health-optimizing features of an item. Here's a pro training tip. It could be useful to watch this video on a TV or laptop while simultaneously having the app open on your smartphone so you can mimic what we were doing on the screen. Let's dive right in. From the home screen, search for an item using a name search or advanced search. Select an item from the search results screen to view the item details page. Anything you would like to learn about an item in NutriLiv can be found here. The top left shows the item's common name above the scientific name, item type, and cost category. Pressing the heart on the right side enables you to save the item as a favorite. Favorited items can be pulled up from the home screen, making it easy to log frequently consumed items. NP stands for NutriPoints. We created the value called NutriPoint to help you quickly understand how many anti-cancer and health-optimizing features an item has been observed to possess compared to other items in the catalog. Now we can see the main part of the item details screen shows two boxes, one labeled anti-cancer functions and the other health-optimizing functions. Here we get to see the anti-cancer and wellness benefits each item has been observed to provide in studies. If you're unsure how any of these could benefit you, please select the Appendix button to view a definition of each function listed. Scrolling down reveals more helpful information. NutriLiv helps users identify foods that have evidence of blocking metabolic pathways from cancer. Top cancer researchers have documented that cancer cells generally have an over-reliance on certain resources they use to fuel their growth. Most oncologists are not yet focused on incorporating items that target these metabolic vulnerabilities. But leading researchers like Dr. Thomas Seyfried are encouraging the medical community to shift towards this approach. The Metabolic Pathways block section enables you to understand if this item has evidence of preventing cancer cells from using the listed resources. If you would like to learn more about the research pertaining to targeting metabolic pathways, access the video link, Starve Cancer, Metabolic Cancer Therapy, shown below this video. The next two boxes help you to understand if the item has evidence of reducing side effects and improving effectiveness of standard treatments like chemotherapy, radiotherapy, hormone therapy, and immunotherapy. Following this section, you could see if the item has the ability to target cancer stem cells. A lot of evidence shows targeting cancer stem cells can help improve treatment outcomes and potentially lower risk of recurrence. You may have heard me mention this before, but it's worth sharing again. We highly recommend everyone view the video that explains the role of cancer stem cells in cancer initiation, metastasis, and recurrence. It was recorded by Olena Ivanova, the medical director of personalized medicine. You can access the link to the video below. She does a great job of clearly summarizing the evidence documented in studies over the last 30 years. The keto-friendly status helps you quickly identify if this item can fit into your keto nutrition plan. Now, within consumption summary, we aim to explain the different ways this item can be consumed to achieve the potential anti-cancer benefits. Here we will include methods that were documented in studies as well as generally accepted preparation methods. The upper section of the item detail screen is set up to provide you with important information that can be easily and quickly understood. The tabs in this lower section are for those that want to understand the more technical details related to the benefits displayed in the upper section. Each one of these tabs can be expanded to reveal a written summary. For instance, in the anti-cancer summary section, you can find a technical summary of each anti-cancer function listed above. Technical summaries are also available for health-optimizing functions, anti-cancer stem cell capabilities, metabolic pathway disruption, and the ability to improve standard treatments. Specific cancer cell types used in studies is listed in the respective dropdown. And finally, Users can access links to the source studies used to organize the information in the item details screen. To log consumption of the item, simply select the green Log Item button. Before logging the item, be sure to take note of the serving size. You are permitted to enter up to 1/10 of a serving size. For instance, if I drank 1.5 cups of turmeric tea, I would enter 1.5 servings. Now, when it comes to logging consumption of items, if you forget to enter something you consumed in the past, NutriLiv allows you to record consumption of items up to 1 week ago. Once you have entered the servings number and selected the consumption date, select the Log Item button to record it. Let's go back to the home screen by selecting this button from the menu bar. We can now see that the daily NutriPoints meter was updated based on the item we just logged, as was the other graphs and daily tracking screens. We recommend you watch the video titled Home Screen to ensure you're maximizing the benefits of the advanced tracking graphs and reports on this screen. You can find the link to the video below. As always, we welcome you to contact us if you have recommendations on how we can do better, or to provide feedback on what you value most in NutriLiv. Thank you for watching this training video. We hope you live long and live well.